Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a wall footing design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a wall footing using working stress method for 10 inches concrete wall carrying a uniform load of 20,000 pounds per foot. Design criteria as follows. Strength of concrete 4,000 psi. Main bars 5/8-inch diameter bar grade 60. Temperature bars half-inch diameter bars grade 60. Soil bearing capacity 4,000 psf. The wall footing carries a uniform load of 20,000 pounds per foot. Assume a self-weight of 800 pounds per foot for a total load of 20,800 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. Footing name WF10. Depth from natural grade line 3 feet. Main bars 5/8-inch diameter at grade 60. Temperature bars half-inch diameter at grade 60. Strength of concrete 4,000 psi. Soil bearing capacity 4,000 psf. Wall thickness 10 inches concrete wall and total load of 20,800 pounds per foot. Given Fc prime equals 4,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows. N equals 8.044, K equals 0.376, J equals 0.875. Given W equals 20,800 pounds per foot and Q equals 4,000 psf, the width of footing is 64 inches. Net upward soil pressure is 3,750 psf. Critical sections for moment and bond. Critical sections for shear. Following the given computations, the effective depth is 9 inches and total depth is 12 inches. Given footing width of 64 inches, 10 inches thick concrete wall, and net soil pressure of 3,750 psf, the moment is 113,906.25 inch-pounds. The area of steel is 0.6 square inch, and the spacing for 5/8-inch diameter bar is 6 inches. The area of steel for temperature bar is 1.382 square inches. The number of bars for half-inch diameter is 7. The shear force is 5,625 pounds and shear stress is 52.08 psi, less than 69.57 psi. The bond force is 8,437.5 pounds. Total bar circumference is 3.92 and bond stress is 273.32 psi, less than 485.73 psi. Design results are as follows. Fc prime equals 4,000 psi. Fs equals 24,000 psi. Footing size is 5 feet 4 inches by 12 inches. Main bars of grade 60. 5/8-inch diameter bar at 6 inches on center. Temperature bars of grade 60. 7 pieces half-inch diameter bar at 9 3/4 inches on center. Depth of footing from natural grade line 3 feet. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.